న్యూస్. అమరావతి నుంచి గూగుల్ వరకు భూ సమీకరణ అనే కొత్త విధానం ద్వారా ప్రాజెక్టులకు భూములు ఇస్తున్న ఆమ్కా, గూగుల్, ఆర్సెలార్ మిట్టల్ లాంటి పరిశ్రమలను వేగవంతంగా అనుమతులు ఇచ్చి భూములు కేటాయించారు.
Every project I am able to procure land with a stipulated time. Now Google has come, $15 billion. We are able to acquire land within 3-4 months. All clearances we are able to obtain. ArcelorMittal Steel Industry, Steel City, I can say. Land we are able to acquire within 2-3 months. Now all clearances have come. They are moving forward. Like that, so much of investment is coming. We are very strong in green energy. India is going to produce 500 gigawatts. In 500 gigawatts, Andhra Pradesh is going to contribute 160 gigawatts. More than 1/3 we are going to produce now. Because of all these things, now you are seeing geopolitical situation. We wanted to make it self-sufficient on energy front. That is one more thing we are working. And also, if you can go, America didn't have single grid power grid, whereas India is having single power grid. I can generate power remote village in South India. I can send it to North India, remote village, real time. We are going different renewable energy. We are having opportunities. One is solar, wind, pumped storage, and also battery, if necessary. Now, as on yesterday, we used to depend more on thermal. Now situation has been changed totally. It is changing day by day.